A newly released smartphone, Huawei P40 Pro Plus. In the month of April, Huawei P40 lineup have been launched, and this month Huawei P40 Plus, which is upgraded version of Huawei P40 series, just now released. So what will be its specification and feature? Will it be worthy enough to buy compared to other flagship devices? Through this video, I'll try to answer this question. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Rokibul Hassan and you are watching Gadget Insider. Just single request before starting the video. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, because through your subscription, I will get the inspiration of making next video. Now without wasting time, let's get started. Start with its outlook first. The hardware of this device looks pretty solid and decent. Its backside and frame made out of ceramic, and display has the Corning Gorilla Glass protection. The phone is quite heavy. It's 226 gram and thickness 9mm, although it doesn't look bulk because of curved design. As like other flagship model, this phone is water resistant up to 1.5 meter for 30 minutes. It has the hybrid dual SIM option, through that you can get connected by dual SIM together, or it will give you opportunity to increase your storage option. Although the internal storage is huge because it is having 256 GB at 8 GB RAM and 512 GB at 8 GB RAM. Personally, I believe this is plenty enough to one person to use, and it's better to use dual SIM. In the display section, it is coming up with 6.58-inch OLED capacitive touchscreen with the resolution 1200 x 2640 pixels, which is 441 ppi density and 90 Hz display refresh rate. That will make the display as smooth as butter. The color accuracy will be perfect whether you watch movies or play games, and the display is big enough to handle your daily job very smoothly. Now time to talk about camera. As like other flagship devices, it is also coming up with plenty of camera at the rear side. I must say, smartphone companies are in a competition that who can give the more camera. Maybe in near future we'll get to see 10 or 20 cameras at the rear side, and that time maybe we need to take a tea break while describing the camera feature in the smartphone. Through this criticism, I just want to deliver one message to the companies that customer doesn't want to see a lot of cameras at the rear side. Bring some changes, because it is better to have one strong camera rather than having multiple false cameras. Although the Huawei P40 Pro Plus is coming up with 5 cameras at the rear side, and these are 50 megapixel wide angle lens, 8 megapixel periscope telephoto lens which offer optical image stabilization and 10x optical zoom, 8 megapixel telephoto lens, 40 megapixel ultra wide lens, and finally time of flight 3D sensor. At the front side, 32 megapixel wide angle selfie camera with time of flight 3D sensor. Some of the sample photos I have taken through it for you guys to have the clear idea how the image quality will be after taking picture. Video recording options are same. Front and back both sides can record up to 4K at 30 and 60 FPS. Talking about the chipset, it is coming up with Kirin 990, which is 7nm plus process, and this chipset is 5G enabled, so that you can get connected by fastest 5G network connectivity. There is nothing much to mention about the CPU performance. Just one simple line is enough. There is nothing in the world that has been created for the smartphone will not support here. Means all the smartphone apps and games, high graphics, videos such as 4K, 8K videos, everything will support very smoothly. Not only that, the Kirin 990 itself a low power consumption chipset, through that you can expect a very good return from it. Seems like everything is good here, very perfect, but here got one problem. This is another phone from Huawei which not having Google Play service. I personally asked the same question to the Huawei service personnel. They told me this is not a big problem because Huawei has their own app gallery, and from there you can upload your necessary application, and those apps are not available. You can download from official website. For example, you want to download PUBG Mobile. You have to download it from the official website of Tencent Games. If you think this is not a problem for you, then this phone is perfect. Although there is a lots of flagship phones are available in the market with the same CPU speed, same camera, same battery and performance with Google Play service. Now the decision is yours that you want to buy a phone with Google Play service or without. It's totally up to you now. So that was all about today. I hope the video was quite informative and you liked it. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to suggest something, suggest in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.